Alright guys, we are making it out today. I am at the end of trying to film the next video and just realizing there's absolutely no way I'm going to make it by the time I need to Sunday. So getting out to, or doing this video on half of my last battery. But anyhow, we got back from New Hampshire, amazing trip up there, got some footage on the fixed gear, and we'll get that edited and out to you guys too. But it has been, I don't know, the trip was so amazing. It has been so crazy busy since we got back, but gonna try to catch up on everything as quick as possible. New Hampshire is probably the prettiest place I've ever seen in person. There's a specific spot, a beach with a rock cliff overlook. It is just mind-blowing how pretty it is. So I'm going to show you guys at the end of this video a bunch of pictures, a bunch of my favorite pictures from the trip, and just, I don't know, let this one run out. I am late for being back with my wife and son, probably, I don't know, running about 3 hours late, so just casual right there. But yeah, follow along for this video and hope you guys enjoy these local back roads. Well, used to be local back roads that I don't get to ride too often anymore. Also, at the end, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I really appreciate that. We are 3/4 of the way to 1,000. Super excited for that. Thank you for coming out.